Hi, I've got kind of a treat for you guys today. It's a tribute to alarm clocks that I wrote using the tune of You Raise Me Up. Um, I'm only going to do part of it because I wrote the whole song out, but it's basically just repeating. So I'll just sing the first part. When I am down and so far deep in slumber, the sun comes up, and it's time for me to be. I lay here still, and my room is silent now, until you scream and wake me up today. You wake me up so I can get to my class. You wake me up so I will be on time. I am awake when you scream in my ears. You wake me up and get me out of bed. You wake me up and get me out of bed. So yes, that's my tribute to alarm clocks. Hope you enjoyed it.